I had like 100 bucks. मेरे को 10,000 कमाने थे. जब 10,000 आए तो मुझे 1 लाख कमाने थे. You know, मैंने एक ऐड किया, मुझे 10 ऐड करनी थी. तो that fire has to be there. I remember Dad used to give me like 8,000 रुपए हमें मिलते थे. मुझे 2012 में पीजी का रेंट था 8,000 रुपए. ठीक है. So पर उस पीजी में कम से कम 15 से 16 लोग रहते थे. Like and I'm not lying, bro. I still remember New Mahada में. So mattresses मिलते थे and it's like a matchbox इतना आपका वो होता था. अलमारी. मेरे पास इतना ऐसा टाइम आ गया था कि मैं लिफ्ट लेके जा रहा था auditions पे. Because then I had an option कि यार मैं खाना खाऊं, अपनी मील खाऊं या मैं रिक्शा का पैसा दूं. Because रिक्शा भी, you know, when you come down, it's a little expensive for us. ज्यादा लोगों को demoralize ही करते हैं. You know, especially जब हम बाहर से आते हैं. You know, मुझे याद है कि जब हम ऑडिशन में जाते थे, अनफिट फिट ऐसे होता था भाई. एंड वो लगता था दिल पे. एंड यू गो बैक, यू कम बैक, वो 50 रुपए ऑटो के यहाँ पे लगते थे. That's why I was packing bags. मैं संडे को वापस जा रहा था एंड फ्राइडे को मैं बिग बॉस के घर में था. I was leaving Mumbai for good.
They say good things take time, and it has taken me over 2 years to get Asim Riaz pinned down to do an interview with me. But I've always admired him. I always admired his journey. And a lot of people actually see the stardom, but not many see the chinks in the armor, the struggle that has gone behind getting that stardom. Today, as his single, as his song, Sky High, has clocked over 10 million views on YouTube. Today we have Asim joining me for a conversation only on Bollywood Bubble. First of all, congratulations Asim, and thank you for doing this.
Thank you so much, and thank you for having me. Thank you.
You know Asim, बहुत लोगों को सिर्फ Asim Riaz, Bigg Boss finalist, this talented musician who's come up with his own platform, you know, own page and getting such great numbers, सिर्फ ये दिखता है. A lot of people can't really see the face behind that image. They get stuck. You have had a journey, which not many people, which is actually sky high today. But there was a point when it was not sky high, when it was rock bottom. How do you look back at those days today when you are supremely popular?
I mean, those days are, you know, वो चीजें, you know, उस वक्त से मुझे गुजरना बिल्कुल, you know, in the sense like I had to go through that to be here. I mean, I feel blessed to what I've been through in my life and where I am today. You know what I mean? अगर वो चीज में, अगर मेरे पास हर चीज अवेलेबल होती तो मेरे पास वो फायर नहीं होता यहाँ पे आने का. ठीक है, अभी भी मेरे पास बहुत सी चीजें नहीं है and I still have the same fire. You know, मेरे को 20 गाने ड्रॉप करने हैं, बट अभी मैंने 2 गाने किए हैं, तो मुझे वो 20 गाने का फायर है कि I want to give quality. So it's the same thing back in the day was happening, the same thing. I had like 100 bucks. मेरे को 10,000 कमाने थे. जब 10,000 आए तो मुझे 1 लाख कमाने थे. You know, मैंने एक ऐड किया, मुझे 10 ऐड करनी थी. तो that fire has to be there. You can't be like, you know, I'm done and ये नहीं हो रहा है. मेरे लिए लाइफ में हमेशा जब मेरे पास, I think whenever I'm down in my life, like when I'm at zero, you know, I think God is just next to me, because that is the main point when God is testing me कि Asim, अगर तू इस चीज को हैंडल कर लेगा, then I'll give you all the numbers you want in your life, all the songs and all the music videos, all the fame, money, everything. But ये टाइम तू survive कैसे करेगा? Do you still believe in me? Do you have faith? Do you still work hard? Do you still get up and say I will do it? You know, तो वो चीजें मेरे लिए बहुत important थी. And उसके साथ में इंसान अकेला पड़ता है. You know, you can't have a lot of support around you, because then you're on your own.
Yeah.
You know, even if you're having a lot of friends, but कोई बोलेगा यार आसिम नहीं हो रहा है, कोई बोलेगा हो रहा है, कोई बोलेगा आसिम just have faith. But at the end of the day, it's you. You got to believe in yourself, you know. And down the line, 10 years, I didn't give up. So, I mean, I feel blessed to live that time, and I'm living this. And it's a long journey, brother. You know, it's the same thing. You just got to work hard. It's no days off, in short.
But you know, you are from Kashmir. You had no kind of connections in the industry. And I'm from Calcutta, you know, so I also came to Bombay in 2014. I know how difficult it can be and how strange it can be to be in a city where you don't know anybody. It can be really invigorating and intimidating. Were there moments where you felt lost? Were there moments where you had difficulty finding a house? Because that has been my biggest trouble at times.
यार बॉम्बे में यही होता है यार, बॉम्बे में आप आ जाओ ना, उसके बाद घर का मेन प्रॉब्लम होता है कि यार रहना कहाँ पे है ना, और आपको अंधेरी में ही रहना है। You just, I don't know कि आपको अंधेरी के अलावा कहीं जाना नहीं है, you know, मेरे को कहीं पे आगे पीछे, no disrespect कि यहाँ पे इधर नहीं रहना, इधर नहीं रहना, it's just आपको उस वाइब में रहना है कि जहाँ that struggle चल रहा है, यहाँ जहाँ पे कोई स्टार है, कोई छोटा स्टार है, कोई ऐसे है, बट सारे उस रेस में है, and you don't want to leave that area, you know, you want to be in that area to be, अपने आप को नीचा भी कोई आपको दिखाएगा, कोई आपको अच्छा भी दिखाएगा, बट आपको वहीं पे रहना है, and then that costs a lot of money, you know, and हम जैसे लोग आ रहे हैं, हमें पॉकेट, मुझे I remember dad used to give me like 8,000 रुपए हमें मिलते थे, मुझे 2012 में पीजी का रेंट था 8,000 रुपए, ठीक है, सो पर उस पीजी में कम से कम 15 से 16 लोग रहते थे, like क्या, and I'm not lying bro, I still remember न्यू महाड़ा में, so mattresses मिलते थे, and it's like a matchbox जितना आपका वो होता था अलमारी, it's like one you know, one इतनी सी बॉक्स मिलता था आपको कपड़े रखने के लिए, and I still remember, but I had that fire, I'm like, and you know what, I used to feel good कि मैं इतनी दूर से आया हूँ कि मेरे पीछे आगे पीछे लोग हैं, मैं अकेला नहीं हूँ, because I was 18 bro, you know, and so that thing is always कि यार हाँ यार यहीं पे रहना है, आगे पीछे नहीं जाना है, तो आप लोगों को देखते हो कि कोई बड़ी गाड़ी चला रहा है, कोई छोटी चला रहा है, कोई बातें कर रहा है मैं शाहरुख खान बनूंगा, कोई ये बनूंगा, and everybody is like, man, everybody has to become a star, everybody has a fire, और मेरे आगे पीछे जितने भी लोग थे 15-10 जो भी थे, सब में फायर था कि कुछ बनना है, तो मैं उस फायर मैंने कहा यार आसिम, now this is the time, let's do it, so it's just yes man, and when you don't have the money, especially बॉम्बे में क्या होता है कि आप रेंट दे देते हो, सब कुछ करते हो, but then पैसे खाने पीने के, ऑडिशन के, रिक्शा आगे पीछे, you can't walk man, मतलब मेरे पास इतना ऐसा टाइम आ गया था कि मैं लिफ्ट लेके जा रहा था ऑडिशंस पे, because then I had an option कि यार मैं खाना खाऊं, अपनी मील खाऊं, या मैं रिक्शा का पैसे दूं, because रिक्शा भी, you know, when you come down it's a little expensive for us, you know. True. तो बस का इतना पता नहीं था कि ट्रैवल कैसे करना है, कहाँ से कौन से नंबर की बस आती है, कब आती है, तो रिक्शा इज समथिंग व्हिच इज अवेलेबल राइट नाउ, भैया चलो, यू नो व्हाट आई मीन, तो अब मुझे था, तो मैं लिफ्ट लेना स्टार्ट किया, यू नो, आई एम लाइक इट्स ओके, बिकॉज़ टिल द टाइम आई मेक इट, एंड आई विल बी सो ऑनेस्ट कि दिस इज हाउ आई मेक इट, यू डोंट हैव टू लूज होप, किसी से मदद मांगने से आप छोटे नहीं हो जाओगे भाई, ये किसने बोला?
But you know, Asim, there was a point, today you have everything, but there was a point when, like you said, that you had nothing, and you started from nothing. At that point, any struggler or an outsider always has a lot of comments to deal with, fit, unfit, auditions में बहुत कुछ बोला जाता है, कभी-कभी demoralize और demotivating चीजें भी बोली जाती है. What were the things that were said to you and how did you take it? Did it ever break you?
Bro, हमारे यहाँ पे ज्यादा लोगों को demoralize ही करते हैं, you know, especially जब हम बाहर से आते हैं. You know, मुझे याद है कि जब हम ऑडिशन में जाते थे, अनफिट फिट अनफिट फिट ऐसे होता था भाई, एंड वो लगता था दिल पे, एंड यू गो बैक, यू कम बैक, वो 50 रुपए ऑटो के यहाँ पे लगते थे कि भाई मैं यहाँ मेरे, क्योंकि मैं ये सोच के आता था ये ऑडिशन मैं क्रैक करूंगा, बट वो आपको वहां पे जाके जब बोलता था कि यार ये नहीं हो पाएगा, मतलब यू नॉट फिट, इट वाज लाइक अ बुलेट शूट एंड गो स्ट्रेट टू माय हार्ट कि भाई अब क्या, you know, रोज के मतलब 10-15 ऑडिशन देने, हर ऑडिशन में आधा घंटा 45 minutes वेट करना, you know, टर्न आना, and then you shivering because you don't know how to do it. You're just taking a risk being in front of the camera that okay, I can't go back home, I want to earn respect, I want to do something for my family, for my parents, so I'm standing like this, hi, my name is Asim Riaz, and my profiles, and I'm shivering because I want to earn something, because this is it, because I don't want to do anything bad, you know.
But what was the weirdest or the most ridiculous thing ever told to you on your face that really affected you?
Bro, I've been a guy who's always in his zone. मैं ज्यादा दोस्ती करता नहीं हूँ क्योंकि दोस्ती निभानी पड़ती है और मैं नहीं निभा सकता, you know? तो इससे अच्छा दोस्ती करो ही ना। जितने आगे पीछे भाई है मेरा, कजन्स है, जितना मैं कर सकता हूँ सही है। So there was nobody to come and tell me, but then you know, आंखों से पता चलता है, you know, like the way I walk and talk, कि क्या समझता है अपने आप को, you know? So like I said, nobody on the face, but that vibe. See, everything is on the vibe, brother. We feel God. God is not coming and telling me, hey man, I'm looking good. It's the vibe. We see him, we don't see him. Right? We don't see him, but it's a vibe. So a negative vibe will always make you think negative. Right?
You know, today you are today, Asim, because of whatever has happened in your life, and thank God it has happened, you are in a position to choose and pick. There was a point where people would have picked you or chosen you, that they had that option. And when people get that option, they sometimes tend to misuse it and exploit somebody's circumstances and situations and halat. Especially, and people say that it happens only to women. It doesn't. It happens to men as well. I have so many friends who are also struggling, who get ridiculously called out and who get ridiculously asked for favors and stuff. When you started off at a really, really tender age at 18, today you're 28. How many times have you had to battle such disgusting, propositions?
Bro, like I said, I just answered it. यहाँ पे काम ही यही है. आगे आप चार लोगों में जो उठते बैठते हो, they will put you down. But it's how hard you get down and how hard you come up. Life is just a struggle, you know, work from the bottom to the top, bro. And just have faith, bro. That's it. अभी भी, आज भी करते हैं लोग. आज भी I have that vibe. When I go on internet, you know, the world is, you open this app and there's everything you see about good or bad about yourself. When you close it, you're away from the world, brother. So I try to be away as much as I can because I know my thing, how far I can go and how I can go is working hard. Not watching, reading comments will make me feel down. I just want to answer them for sure, probably by using music.
With everything, with fame, money and everything else that you have today, has life changed at all post Bigg Boss? And did you expect it to change this way? Actually, it has changed really. It has turned 180 degrees only for you and Shehnaz. Sidharth was already a star, chalo, but you and Shehnaz were completely unknown faces to a lot of, to India. And today, I think you're the biggest faces, plastered everywhere. How do you see the change?
Yeah.
Has anything changed?
I was just unknown to the TV world. I was just unknown to the world of acting. But I was a very known good model in my modeling zone. So again, I knew that, see, when it came to me, brother, जब मेरे पास ये चीज आई ना, तो I didn't get mad. मुझे पता था अगर ये आएगा तो ऐसे आएगा, नहीं आएगा तो नहीं आएगा. That's why I was packing bags. मैं संडे को वापस जा रहा था and फ्राइडे को मैं बिग बॉस के घर में था. I was leaving Mumbai for good. मैंने कहा बस हो गई, bro. It's okay. I don't have to just, kill my all. मतलब मेरे को अपने आप जीना है, life भी जीनी है. There is life also. Fame, पैसा is ये life में चलता रहता है, but एक सुकून की जिंदगी भी जीनी है. Which everybody wants to have it, a mental peace. You have all the money in your life, but you don't have mental peace, brother. You need help. You know what I mean? So, mental peace is everything, brother. For me, at least. And this is the message मैं आगे पहुंचाना चाहता हूं सबको कि mental peace is everything. So I'm just look forward to have it, and yeah.
Just stay the way you are, because people who have to love you will love you for the way you are. And it was an interesting and lovely chat. And hope to see you and speak to you. इस बार मिलके करेंगे interview.
Pakka, obviously we have to. Yeah, we have to. Yeah.
Yeah.